Hey guys, welcome to Internet for Dummies, and today we're gonna talk about Firefox. And most probably you guys know pretty much it's a browser, and the different weird thing is it's an open for the developers so that they can run their own scripts and own programs in it, and we'll talk about later in the session. And you can probably see the address bar is up here, and the refresh page, and the history right up here, and this is what the default search bar, and the bookmarking, and the list. Most of this site you can bookmark, and most of the bookmarks have been imported from the Chrome. So, and here goes the downloads, and here loads the home page, which says the stuff about the Firefox, and if you sometimes you need anything, you can subscribe for their email alerts. And in a shortcut, you could able to see the downloads, bookmarks, history, and add-ons and synchronization right up below. And you can able to restore the previous session if you need. So pretty much exciting tools and the basic one. But when it will come to the settings, it changes a bit lot. Where you can check it on the Internet Explorer, the settings are quite a big formal and pretty much nothing exciting in there. But trust me, you doesn't want to check the Firefox browser for sure. So here you can able to see the default home page where you can set up. It could be empty and show a Windows tab last time, whatever. Saving a file location, and always asking where you want to like to share, and different way to tabs open and switching immediately, and the task menu, you can see what are the operations happening. And the search is pretty amazing because you can defaultly search with search engine if you like to want, and changes as per your wish. And one tap you could able to change any search engines, and most of the search engine will be here Google because I imported the thing. So yeah, pretty much that. And when you go into the contents, it will be mostly on the notifications and pop-up languages. So you can add up a don't disturb option, or you can choose which website you would like to give a permission so that it can notify you. And of course, why not advertisements. And most hurry up thing is pop-up ads are always disturbing. You can just add the website URL and hit an allow so that you can allow the pop-ups whenever which site if you like to recommend to show up the pop-ups. And obviously language change, and when you go for applications you could able to see some of it, like what type of feeds, broadcasts, postcards, whatever not, and you can adapt them whenever you required by searching them. It will always be a fuzzy thing, we'll talk about it later on. And this is the most important thing of tracking your private windows. I keep it on, just if you want it keep it on off. And you can see history of the downloads, and location of bookmarks has been on, so it depends upon which you want it to be. If you want, Firefox will remember your history, if not, never remember history, or you can use the custom settings. And security for the add-ons and basic danger stuff, keep it always on, remember the logins of the site. If you're a guy who doesn't always forget the password, you can use this option, and use the master password is like an password you always add it up to fetch out the passwords and use it. And if you like to, you can synchronize your bookmarks and password because you are using the master passwords and all. You can use the synchronization and synchronize the soft history, bookmarks and all, and for whatnot with every device. And when you come for the advanced, touchpad using of the custom keys, search bars and data scrolling, this is a pretty basic thing. And data choices is like what you call for a developers. This is like a crash report and checking the additional data for tampering the data. And yeah, this what the fuzzy stuff comes from. Like you can offline the web data whenever you need. You just need to add the URLs, and this is the best thing. Yeah, when you go for the internet uses, it will be proxy, auto proxy, and even you can use socks and connect the internet as fast as you want as per the socks you have purchased and all. And the proxy and DNS pretty much all for the developers and all. And you will also use SSC proxy and FTP, which is file transfer protocol. And you can also keep the cache data as much as you wanted to keep, and if you wanted to clean it up whenever needed, you just need to add it up so that it will clean it up right after you. And pretty much obvious. Update, keep the auto update always on so that whenever a new update comes, because of the security issues, keeping them on will let you know what is available right now. And trust me, you always need to keep it on. And certificates is like a personal portfolio kind of a thing, and you pretty much need not worry about that. It's a kind of for the developers and all. And trust me, you don't want to use this and you don't want it to know it at all for now. We'll be covering up later on. So these are the basic settings and all. So here is a tab, we can use the rest of the options here. And about the private browsing, you can history or no bookmarks will be saved. And if you like, you can customize it. You can add whatever the features you like. You just need to do is a drag and drop, and you can switch every area right up here. Just drag and drop, and there you go. Some right, you can able to customize your own. It's kind of in your browser, but it's kind of completely developers. And when you go for options, there you go, it will reflect the same page. So pretty much everything. So let me close it. Boom. So here you can also close it in that way, or simply tapping on the X will surely work for that. Yeah. See, this is one of the issue which most of the people will be causing up. Great, it's searching for an update. It might take a while a bit, but trust me, you don't want it to be facing issues with the errors and also just keep it in auto update every time. It will do its work. It might be taking a while and sometimes buggy or bothering you, but trust me, you wanted to keep the update. So here is everything about the Firefox, and it's kind of pretty cool. But if you like, you can check out the rest of the stuff about the Firefox and all. You can see there is a developer tools and all. You can develop your own settings and all. It's open for the most developers. So here you go. This is all about the Mozilla Firefox, and this is your Cascading from Internet for Dummies. And thank you for watching, and see you in other videos. Signing off.